Okay, so we just arrived in Bangalore after a 40-minute flight and an hour and 30-minute drive from the airport. Just got and checked into our Airbnb, handed us the keys, and decided to do a video tour. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath Airbnb for $37 per night. Okay. This is pretty new. Recessed slide-in, flat screen TV. The channels are actually in English. That's key. There's a fan. And check that out. Hi. Look at the floor. Oh my goodness.
It's like marble.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do a pan. Windows, couch. We haven't even unpacked yet. What do you think of this place?
This is what we've waited 3 weeks for.
3 weeks.
We've
3
been
weeks.
to Delhi, we've been to Agra, we've been to Kochi. This is what
Well,
we've been waiting
the 3-bedroom, 3-bath Airbnb house that we rented in Kochi was nice. It was a step up from.
These beds are more comfortable.
Right.
The Wi-Fi actually works here.
Yeah, that was
Two
a
things we need.
that was a big lose in Kochi is that the Wi-Fi was shit, complete shit. As a like dial up.
6 and the speed is 21.
All right, so let's go and check out the kitchen. Then we'll go ahead and check out the bedrooms and the bath. Again, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. All the has appliances, have water, so we don't need to buy any water. There's light, natural lights from the windows. Got a lot of counter space, sink, plates, hot plate, cups. Really nice size refrigerator. We don't have a microwave, but there's a lot of storage. Let's hoping that they have a microwave. And right off the kitchen is our balcony. So this is a view from our balcony outside. It's really secure. It's a nice neighborhood. It's in walking distance to restaurants. We saw stores, convenience stores. Just really nice. It's a newer building. There are outlets everywhere, and that's like something that we yearn for. But there it is. There's the living room again. It's really cool. It's huge. You can work out in here. Why don't you do a squat or a lunge?
Lunge?
Yeah, go. Oh, it's so. Just to give you an idea. And the table seats 4. Oh, you running around. That's a prayer room. All right, so let's go to bedroom number 1. We haven't decided which of the 2 bedrooms we're going to sleep in for tonight, but this is the bedroom. We do have options. Yeah, you're right about that. A lot of light, 2 windows,
Oh my gosh,
and
baby.
a fan. Yeah.
They actually have screens. We can like
Oh,
open it up
we can actually open the
and
windows.
not have to worry about bugs coming in. Not on that one. That one has it.
Okay.
None of them
Look at all
have
that closet space. Let me see. Granted, you can't reach it to the top. That is massive. Look at that.
Oh my goodness. We could live here for a month or two.
Yeah, I think I'm already committing
This
to
is
2
what
weeks.
we're-
I just need to get you on board.
On board?
Look at the.
Hey, I'm on board.
You are? Okay.
But
Bathroom
we have a
number
year
1.
visa.
Oh, yeah, we do have a year's visa,
Yeah.
tourist visa. Okay, so here's bathroom number 1. It's a
Hot
typical.
water.
We do have a. Yeah, it comes hot water. Let's turn that on. Boom, hot water. Toilet, basin, mirror, and bucket.
Good, baby.
You did great. Like, I'm so proud. There's actually a fan to get, that number 2 out. Okay, bedroom number 2. There you go. Tons of closet space. Okay, so there's a fan. There's actually natural light that comes in from that window, and it has a screen, so we're super happy about that. And the bed is comfortable. How soft is the bed? Oh, look how high up it is.
And look how big it is.
Holy shit. Like, is it comfortable?
Especially
Okay.
compared to my reaches somewhere.
Right? So.
Yeah, look at this. I can't believe it has a wing. Like, you guys don't understand how rare this is.
Well, it is out of focus. I don't know your.
I know, because the sun's coming in, remember?
Okay. Oh, okay.
But
There's
these
extra.
places never have screens. So if I open the windows up, then we get bugs everywhere.
That is true. This is really. It smells really good in here. Like, okay, bathroom number 2. The shower. There's for some reason there's a bucket.
They always have buckets
Yeah,
here.
I guess the.
That's how they do it.
I don't. I guess that. Okay, hey, that's me. Hey now. Right, and then behind this door, you have the toilet. The toilet. Place to hang your towel. Man, it smells really good in here. Right, and then over here. Oh, closet. Can you see the closet? There's it.
Yeah.
Like all of that is like
Huge.
storage. Shit. And then the other side, want to open? We're just making a bunch of. Okay. All right. So okay, we're very happy. 6 minutes in.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy.